Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to Tea Time. In this video I decided to do something a little bit different and finish out my Ibotta bonus that I have on my account. This video will probably be helpful to those that don't have the major drugstores that we get these personal care and essential items from. Walmart is definitely an alternative to get the same job done. Here I have just opened up my Ibotta app. The first thing that you want to do is to just scroll through your app to see what type of bonuses you have and also what type of offers you have. I'm just going to go through and there's my offer that I'm completing right now. I had 12 more offers to finish out that bonus, and here I'm just opening up my app just to see what else there is that's available that I can purchase. You want to make sure that you have everything selected and added to your account before you submit your receipt. As you pick up your item in store, please make sure that you scan your items to make sure they qualify for the bonuses. I ran into a problem when I picked up the Always pads. Even though it was pictured and the right count was selected, it was not a qualifying item for the bonus. So make sure that you scan and verify everything before purchasing. It does. I'm trying to figure out where I can put it at. Oh, it's not. Okay. Okay, this is my receipt for everything that I purchased. You can see the Lay's up at the top. I found the Tasty Cake chocolate swirl, I guess pastries, on the way out by self-checkout. You can see the gum, all the Tampax and Always items, the men's Nivea, the women's Nivea, the Skintimate razors, and then you can see the Intuition, the other Skintimate razor, and then 5 of the U by Kotex. Now that U by Kotex coupon did not scan, well, it scanned, but it did not take an amount off as you saw in the previous clip, but they came over and put them in manually. So for all 19 items, my total was $41.27 plus tax, and I should get back $43 and some change from Ibotta. I have it written down, but I'll let you know exactly what I get back in just a second. As you can see, this is what I got back from Ibotta from everything that I purchased at Walmart on today. Again, this is a good alternative to anyone that does not have the major stores that we get these items from. If you have not signed up for Ibotta, here is my sign up code. The link will be in the description box. I hope that you found this video helpful. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching.